That's okay. See it?
It's nice.
It's really nice.
Wow.
Includes everything. And
Well,
extra pillows.
Those are nice sets.
You're welcome. Thank you.
King size, right?
Yes, it
You have a king bed.
Yeah.
is. Yes, he does.
You're an animal.
You're welcome.
Please, I want one of
What's
those.
that one?
I love you.
I me too.
That king size, but we can't because
Really?
there's
What was focus?
not furniture.
This lady. We're never getting through these.
Hey, will you give David some of that stuff? on
What?
the
We got
ground?
another one for mommy? And somebody's cleaning up.
As she should.
That's true.
Say her, Brittany.
Good job, Brittany.
Good job. Alright, can you imagine what it's gonna look like next year with another baby?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go.
Especially if those
Or 3 if Sandy comes.
Sandy
That'd be 4 more.
Open the box.
Nightmare, but a good one.
Who's? Oh, Sandy's coming next year.
And we hope.
Here next year. We won't be here next year.
No?